God, amen? So it doesn't matter how many of us are here today. It doesn't matter who's out there. It doesn't matter what's in your mind. It just matters that you're here to serve God, amen? Let's give him everything that we have. Everything that we have. It doesn't matter what you have. Just give him everything that you have, amen? Let's go. Like you, Jesus. And if you believe that this morning, then give him everything that you have. Give him everything that you have. Amen. Sachmuch mein tum tak koi nahi hai.